Hey, emergencies happen, right? Car repair, medical bills, or unexpected home expenses. Having an emergency fund is a game changer. In this guide, I'll show you how to build an emergency fund fast, even if your budget is tight. First, decide how much you need. A good starting goal is $500 to $1,000. Eventually, aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Having a target keeps you motivated and focused. Next, know exactly where your money goes. Track your monthly income and all expenses for at least 1 month. This helps you find money you can redirect toward your fund. Identify at least one non-essential expense to reduce or remove, like takeout, subscriptions, or impulse buys. Even small savings add up quickly and accelerate your fund growth. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account each payday. Even $25 to $50 a week adds up fast. Automating removes temptation and makes saving effortless. If possible, increase income temporarily, take on overtime, side gigs, freelance work, or sell unused items around your home. Extra cash can significantly speed up your emergency fund. Don't dip into your emergency fund unless it's a true emergency. Keep it separate from your checking account to resist temptation. So, yeah, building an emergency fund fast is about setting a clear goal, tracking spending, cutting one expense, automating savings, boosting income, and staying consistent. Start small, stay disciplined, and you'll have a safety net before you know it.